Clove and honey, when combined, offer a delightful fusion of flavors and a multitude of health benefits. Cloves, derived from the dried flower buds of the Syzygium aromaticum tree, are renowned for their rich, warm, and slightly spicy taste. They are a potent source of antioxidants and possess anti-inflammatory properties, making them excellent for boosting the immune system and aiding in digestion. On the other hand, honey, nature's sweet nectar produced by bees, provides a natural source of energy while also boasting antibacterial and antimicrobial properties. When these two ingredients are harmoniously united, the result is a soothing and healing elixir. The combination of clove and honey can be used to alleviate sore throats and coughs, relieve dental pain, and enhance overall respiratory health. Additionally, their partnership can aid in digestion, promote heart health, and even support weight management. Incorporating clove and honey into your diet not only tantalizes the taste buds, but also offers a holistic approach to well-being. Ingredients: clove, honey,